Hi, so I'm going to go ahead and do an example of one of the 7.3 problems with using the SALT feature. So for this one, it wants to know a random sample of 5,340 permanent dwellings on an entire reservation so that 1,550 were traditional hogans. So let P be the proportions of all the permanent dwellings on the entire reservation that are traditional hogans. Find the point estimate for P. Sorry for the background noise. And then the next one is find the 99% confidence interval for P. I can do this in one thing using SALT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open SALT. Let me do that right fast so we can look at it. Go to SALT. And then I'm going to choose here, I'm going to do one sample proportion. And the number of successes is going to be the 1,550. And the number of trials is going to be the 5,340. Always make sure that your number of successes is less than your number of trials. And then now I'm going to go down here to confidence intervals, and I'm going to put in 99. If I needed 90%, I could put that in and everything. All right, so what does it gives me? So here, remember it asked for the point estimate for P. Well, SALT gives it to me. It's right here, 0.29026. And if I round to 4 decimal places, I get 0.2903. And now it wants the confidence interval. It's a little bit different than where it was in the one sample T. It's right here. The lower limit is 0.2743 because I'm going to round up for 4 decimal places. And the upper is 0.362. Or excuse me, 63 because I'm going to round up. So if I look here, oh, it wanted it as 3, but that's where I get that. Just here to here. So that's all you need to do to get that. And then you just need to answer the questions after that. I hope this helps. That's how you use the SALT feature. So again, remember, you change this to one sample proportion. Remember, because in 7.2, you were using one sample P, and that was different, and it gives you the mean and the standard deviation. The proportion is going to talk about number of successes in trials. Hope that helps.